Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to build my 1:24 scale 2001 Mitsubishi Lancer WRC from Airfix. I'm going to start the build by sanding the body down first. I'm moving on to the rear wing now. This is how the rear wing looks like on the car. Coming up next is the undercarriage of the car. This is the stock exhaust muffler, and as you can see, there is no hole on it, so I'm going to make one. So I've drilled the hole and it looks much better than before. So I've painted the undercarriage here and I'm going to assemble some of the parts now. I have already assembled the left side of the suspension here and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to assemble the right side now. This is just a static display model, so the wheels are fixed and that's why I'm gluing in the brakes. I've completed assembling the chassis on the left side and this is how it looks like. I have also attached the steering rack on the left side. I'm going to use a small piece of this plastic tube to hold the steering rack in place. And the front suspension is complete after I glue in the wheel well. It's time to assemble the rear suspension. So this is the completed chassis and the steering functions properly. I messed up the decal for the grille, so I'm going to drill it out completely. I'm planning to use a proper mesh for the grille rather than a decal. I'm going to cut out the complete grille now. I've scratch built a Mitsubishi logo for the grille. And this is the grille after cutting it out and repainting. So I'm going to glue in the logo now. This new logo looks much better than the original one, but I've lost the PR logo. I've sanded the tire down to give it a much smoother finish than what it was before. For a comparison, this is how the stock tire looked like with all those mold lines. I've stuck in the tires here and it's time to assemble the interior. The seats have different decals for the driver and the co-driver, so I have to be careful while gluing them in place. I'm going to glue in the driver's seat first and the passenger seat second. I'm going to glue in the spare wheel now. I had assembled and painted the roll cage off camera, so I only have to stick it in place now. And with that, the interior is complete. I'm going to glue in the rearview mirrors now. The rearview mirrors present on the side are placed in the interior rather than being on the exterior. I'm using the decal for the front windshield banner now. I'm going to glue in the windshield and the wipers now. I had stuck the decals on the windshield off camera. I have some parts to glue in here, including the mesh for the grille. I'm also gluing in a plastic plate which I've painted silver so that it does not look blank behind the mesh. So this is how the grid looks like now, and it looks much better than what it was before. You can also see that the plastic plate behind the mesh makes it look better. I'm going to glue in the headlight buckets now. It's time to attach the body to the chassis. I've painted amber for the turn signals on the headlight lenses off camera, and I'm going to glue them now. I have also painted the tail light lenses red, and it's time to glue them as well. I have already painted and glued in the tail lamp bulbs off camera. So we are at the last part of the build, and there's just the antennas, the roof scoop and the rear wing left to be glued in. And with that, the build is complete. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.